and welcome. I'm Bree.
And I'm Jean.
And today we are going to explore,
discover, and experience STEAM.
For this activity, we are focusing on science.
Which is, say it with us,
the S in STEAM. By the end of today, you will learn how trees use capillary action, adhesion, and surface tension to pull water from the ground through the roots and finally up to the tree branches and leaves. We will demonstrate this using a really cool activity called walking water.
Okay, and as you can see, we have our supplies already set up for us. We've got clear cups. They work the best because you can see through. You'll be able to see the end product. You can use glasses. If you only have white ones, you can try them. It'll just be a little bit harder to see. So, but it's, you can use what you have. And then we also need food coloring, paper toweling, and something to stir with. Okay?
Awesome. So don't forget to be on the lookout for the following STEAM vocabulary, which are
capillary action,
gravity,
cellulose,
and molecules.
All right, let's get started.
All right, I'm ready. So to start, once you have your 5 cups, you are going to fill 3 of them with water. So as you can see, we have our 3, and you are going to alternate the cups. So water, empty, water. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix in our food coloring.
All right.
So we are going to be using the 3 primary colors, which you guys should all know if you've done the color wheel. So we're gonna do red,
yellow, and blue.
And just throw a few drops in there, and you can always adjust it if you want it a little bit darker so you can see it better. And then I have a
yes. Stir it.
Yeah.
All right. Now put the yellow in right away.
There you go, so that way.
Thank you.
Stir it. I actually think I might put a few more in mine because
I got mine pretty dark, I think.
Yeah, that blue is super pretty.
Okay.
Alright, and then just make sure you stir it really well. So what's going to happen is trees have a sugar compound called cellulose. And since paper towels are also made out of trees, this also has cellulose. And how the water travels up through the roots or through our paper towels is through adhesion. So water is really good, water molecules are really good at sticking to other things. So what's going to happen is when you put the paper towels in between, which we're gonna do, the water will adhere to the cellulose structure of the paper towels, which will pull it upwards, and since the adhesion is going to be stronger than the cohesion of the water molecules, it's going to pull them upwards, and then gravity will pull the water into the next cup because the structure will only be able to hold so much of the paper towels. Once the paper towels are soaked, it'll start pulling the water down into the cup. So that's, go ahead. Okay. So that's how trees do it. So they just, and then surface tension is what holds the whole structure together. So for this is what keeps it from like completely dissolving as it travels up. So as you can see, we folded our paper towels twice, and then you're just going to just plop them in there. Yeah.
And it's important not to make a sharp crease in the paper toweling, as it might inhibit the water flow. So if you just keep them like a nice round curve, that worked best.
Yeah, we did learn that.
Yes.
After a failed attempt. Yeah, a failed attempt. So. And then if you guys want, if you wanted to create like a full rainbow, we didn't. We kept ours in a straight line, but you guys could put it in a circle and then put another paper towel between the red and the another empty cup between the red and the blue, and then you'll get a purple. So I think I'm gonna make this one a little bit shorter.
Goes like that.
And we're gonna kind of scoop them a little close so that we can make sure that it's touching the bottom of both cups. And there we go. And so now, it doesn't happen right away, guys. So you're gonna have to wait a couple of hours, maybe 3 if necessary. I think a couple hours worked pretty good for us though. And then you'll see it slowly start traveling up. As you can already see, it's already starting to. And then by the end of those few hours, you're gonna have water in both of these cups, and you'll see how they mix to create the secondary colors. All right.
Wow, that was so cool. You can see we have our end product here and how they turned out.
I know, they're so bright and so colorful. So you guys can just check on it during the duration of the 2 to 3 hours. Just keep checking on it, maybe have a snack in between, watch a movie. I don't know, whatever you like. But as you can see, it did travel up between each paper towel, and it created some really awesome colors in the process as it switched between 2 cups. So I think that was a really fun activity.
It was good, yes.
All right, and we also learned some awesome STEAM vocabulary this time. Capillary action, a manifestation of surface tension by which the portion of the surface of a liquid coming in contact with a solid is elevated or depressed, depending on the adhesive or cohesive properties of the liquid. Gravity, an invisible force that pulls objects towards each other. Cellulose, a complex carbohydrate that is the chief part of the cell walls of plants. Molecules, the smallest particle of a substance having all the characteristics of the substance. So we discovered capillary action.
We discovered how water can travel upwards using molecular attraction.
And we experienced a colorful science activity today. So don't forget to enter this code at read20az.org to earn points towards your summer reading program.
And if you send pictures to library@buckeyeaz.gov, you can earn additional points.
Awesome. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys try it out and it comes out awesome like ours did. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.